Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on learning to brake while driving. In this video, I'll be going over a simple tutorial and giving you some tips for properly, safely, smoothly, and effectively braking while driving. With that being said, let's get right into the video. When people are learning to drive, when they are new drivers, they have a tendency to brake too hard. So I'm just gonna put the car in drive, we will disengage the parking brake, and when new drivers are braking, sort of for the first time or just learning to brake, they have a tendency to brake like this. They brake too hard, they press down on the brake pedal too hard, and it sends themselves and everyone else in the car flying forward. It's uncomfortable and it's truly not safe, because although you are reducing your braking distance by braking hard, you're increasing the chances that you're going to get rear-ended, because the person behind you probably doesn't expect you to brake as hard as you did. I'm just going to move back a little bit right here so I can continue going over the driving lesson on braking effectively while driving. All right, so what you want to do when you're learning to brake while driving is you want to put the car in drive. You want to go to an empty parking lot or an area that has no other traffic. Sorry, I have a little itch here right on my eye and my nose. And when you get to that area with no traffic, you want to put the car in drive and you want to move forward and you want to practice braking smoothly, because you'll learn to brake safely when you learn to estimate the braking distance. But you want to learn to brake smoothly first. So you want to release the brake pedal and go forward in drive at a very slow rate, and then press the brake pedal very lightly until you bring your car to a super smooth stop. Check this out. Look how slowly I'm bringing the car to a stop. Okay, so now I've done that once, and if I was a new driver, I would do that many more times. Let's do it again. I'm releasing the brake pedal and pressing the brake pedal ever so slightly and bringing the car to a very slow and smooth stop. Okay, so once again, the key factor is to brake smoothly at first. Okay, you will then use that smooth braking to brake safely when you learn how to estimate your braking distance as well. So when you're braking smoothly, what you want to imagine is that there's something on your brake pedal. There's like a glass object on your brake pedal, and you want to press the brake pedal enough to make your car come to a stop and slow down on time safely, but you can't break that glass object that's sitting on your brake pedal. So you're just pressing the brake pedal ever so slightly, or you can imagine that it's a plastic object or just a very delicate object, and you can't break it. You want to press the brake pedal, but you cannot break that object, that imaginary object that's sitting on that brake pedal. Now, once you've learned how to brake smoothly, just like I've shown you here, the next thing that you want to do is learn how to estimate your braking distance for braking smoothly. So the reason I say to go to an empty parking lot is because there's going to be virtually no traffic if you go at a completely off time, but there's going to be lines in the parking lot. There's probably going to be parking lines in the parking lot. Now you want to look at one of those lines, and you want to try to stop before your front bumper gets to that line. So what I would do is I would do this. I would release the brake pedal, and I'm going to pick a line right there, and I'm going to press the brake pedal and try to stop smoothly before my front bumper crosses the line. Okay, now that I've come to complete stop, I would put the car in park, I would get out of the car, and I would look to see how far away my bumper is from that line. You want to continue practicing this and doing this until you get to the point where you've braked smoothly. Okay, you've brought your car to a stop smoothly, and you've done it where your bumper is just inches away from that line. You don't want to pass that line, but you want to get as close as possible to that line. So continue practicing that at a slow speed, and then what you want to do is put the car in drive again, and you want to pick up a little bit of speed. Now, you're in a parking lot, so don't drive fast, but you want to go a little bit faster than just releasing the brake pedal. So I'm going to press the gas pedal, pick up just a little bit of speed, and then come to a complete stop before that line smoothly. And when you come to complete stop, you're not going to be thrown forward or back. You'll just be nudged a little bit forward or back. Now, there's one final thing that I have to say about braking in a car smoothly and safely. Actually, two final things. The first thing is that when you're pressing the brake pedal, the goal is not to press the brake pedal aggressively. You want to ease into it, and when you get the braking power that you need, you want to hold it there. So let's say that this is my foot position. I'm not pressing the brake pedal at all. okay? And I press the brake pedal nice and smoothly, and when I get to this point, I want to actually, I have the braking power that I need. I'm going to hold it there until the car comes to a stop. And you're going to practice that, because braking is all about estimation, okay? It's all about knowing the distance that you have to brake within. You have to brake within that distance, and the braking power that's needed to brake smoothly within that distance, and knowing when to start pressing the brake pedal and when to hold it at a certain angle, okay? And then the other thing that I want to say, the second thing, is that braking safely always has priority over braking smoothly. So I want you to learn how to brake smoothly first, then learn how to brake safely in addition to braking smoothly. But if you're in a situation where you're on the road and you have to slam your brakes to prevent an accident, then you need to brake at the level that you need to brake at in order to prevent an accident. You need to do whatever is necessary to prevent an accident. Not getting into an accident and being safe is your absolute priority. So that means that if you have to brake if you have to brake safely and it's not smoothly, then that is fine, but try to limit the amount of times the number of times that happens. Because if you're estimating properly, then the number of times that you have to slam on your brakes is not going to be often. It will be very few times. If you look at it on a monthly or even a yearly basis, if you're estimating properly and you're keeping a safe following distance, then you're going to have to only slam on your brakes every once in a while. It's as simple as that. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over driving lesson for learning to brake while driving. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.